Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can easily find user ID in Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram. Then hit at that chats icon to open up your chats list. Then just make a swipe down to see that search. Then tap on that and start typing user info bot. Just like that. Then select that one, that bot, and right from here all you have to do is just hit at start, just like that. Now it shows my user ID, that is my Telegram username, and that is my Telegram user ID, then first name, last name, and language. Also, right from here you can get information about user ID of any Telegram user. You can just open up the conversation with that user. Let me open up some contact, and then you can just forward any recipient's message just like that, and forward it to user info bot and hit on send, and it immediately shows you the username and user ID for that particular user. So in that way you can easily find user ID and username for any of Telegram users. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.